Yeah, we'll go live and we'll try again. So as you're coming in, let me know in the comments how it sounds, how it looks, if you can hear me, if you can understand what I'm saying. That would be helpful. I would love to know. So I wanted to go live really and just really share some of the fabulous results that we've had already on the Menofit program. So loads of you that are following my page, that you do my workouts in the morning at 7:15 and you're on my YouTube, and maybe some of you that did the original Menofit challenge that I did a few months ago, and then I did a 7-day Menofit mobility challenge. And the goal is to really help you with menopausal fitness and health and nutrition and empowerment and all that good stuff. Yay! So unbelievably, I put together a 14-day program and we got phenomenal results. So I wanted to take that program and extend it and make it 21 days, so a little bit longer. And the reason at this stage, I mean, it would be great to say, oh, everybody sign up for 12 weeks, 16 weeks. That does seem a little bit overwhelming. You know, it's a long period of time, 12 weeks or 16 weeks is, but it's great to do things, you know, at a long period of time. But I think it can be really overwhelming for many people. So I like to do shorter programs that you can get really good results, you can feel good, and you can use those healthy tips and habits, and you can iron them into your day, and it becomes part of your morning routine or your evening routine. And you start to feel better really quickly. So this is the first time we've done a 21 day. So we're at day 5 today, and the workout is Cardio Express, and I filmed a lit workout, so that's like 60, 90, 30. And every day there's a different workout, so they're 15 minutes tops, and they range from fitness Pilates, body conditioning, Cardio Express. I've done brain fit, meditation, breath work. We've got loads of mobility, body conditioning, something different every day so you never get bored. And it's only 15 minutes. And all of the workouts are designed for you if you are peri, in menopause, or out the other side. That's the aim. So take into consideration lots of different menopausal symptoms. And the same with nutrition, just understanding what's happening hormonally, and what's happening with your body, why perhaps aren't you responding to exercise and diet as you did, and just making some really easy tweaks that can make a phenomenal difference. So today I've had loads of comments come back in because it's day 5. I asked for everybody's feedback, and the feedback's been incredible. So things like loads more energy, sleeping better, improved mood, feel happier, feel more positive, starting to feel fitter, feeling stronger. Lots of people have said that they feel that they're getting the nutrition back on track from maybe eating a little bit chaotically and not really eating healthily. That's been a good one. And the response has been really the feedback has been really positive. And I think the goal to any of these, anyone that's watching who is peri or menopausal, is to do things small. Start small. Start with 15 minutes of exercise a day. And you can join me on my channel or my YouTube channel and do just 15 minutes. It doesn't have to be drive to the gym, do a class, or go to the gym. Just something small that you can keep going with. And then start to work on simple habits. So it's never, with menopause, it's not just about nutrition and fitness. You know, sleep and hormones and stress management and hydration and all of these. Aware of those elements, and then just maybe tweaking a few things week after week after week so you get those habits ingrained. So it's definitely doable. I think I had another message yesterday from somebody that said, oh, I'm menopausal, I can't get rid of my belly, I'm trying everything. And you can feel almost the desperation in the message. So, you know, it's kind of starting from scratch and building up step by step by step. So for anyone that's been doing Menofit, thank you so much, because it's been a pleasure. I do evening coaching with everybody, and I'm really looking forward to the next 2 weeks. I'm just uploading all of the weekend videos. You've got Fitness Pilates this weekend. You've also got Walkfit. And I'm going to do a whole talk now. I'm going to film that all around alcohol and the menopause. Don't worry, I'm not going to say you can't have a drink if you don't want one. It's just understanding that our bodies process, how they process alcohol and how it affects you when you're in a menopause. Thanks, Debbie. I hope you're enjoying it. So if you missed the beginning of it, when we started on Monday, and you want to jump in, you absolutely can. You still get access to all of the information that we've done and the access to the next 14, 15 days that we've got, and you get access to the whole course forever. So you can keep repeating it. You can do the workouts as many times as you want to. You can log in and out. You can rewatch the videos. It's yours. So let me know if you'd like to jump in and get Menofit next 2 weeks and get access to everything that we've done. I'm going to do a live check-in tonight, so you can come and check in with us, or you can start on Monday if you want to just, you know, you don't feel like starting yet, you want to get your mindset right and you want to kick off on Monday, then you are more than welcome. So just send me a message, let me know in the comments or on the DM on this page, and I'll get back to you with all of the links. Okay, thanks Dee, have a lovely day, and I look forward to speaking to you later.